how to check the RAM of the VPS, the IP, the disk capacity, and the virtualization details. Enter the username and the password to log in. There are multiple VPS, therefore you must select the VPS whose details you wish to check. On the left side, you can see the IP address of the VPS and the virtualization type. Here, it is KVM. In your case, it can be Xen, OpenVZ, etc. On the right side, you can see the disk size of the operating system. For this VPS, the disk size is 15 GB. The amount of available RAM, the host name, etc. is also displayed here. Thank you for watching.